my channel. It's your girl Sierra, back with another cooking video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do go ahead and smash that red subscribe button right now so you can join the family. So what are we doing today? Today we are cooking crab cake poppers, or what some people would like to call crab cake balls. But we're not just making any old regular crab cake poppers. We're gonna stuff them babies with some shrimp. So if you are interested in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Keep on watching because we about to get right into it. Okay, let's go ahead and get into these ingredients. I'm gonna run through the ingredients really quickly, but I will leave the measurements of all these ingredients down in the description box. So first things first, we have some hot sauce. I like to use Crystal or Louisiana. It really doesn't matter. Whatever type of hot sauce you like to use works just fine. Then we have some Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know how to pronounce this, but you know what I mean. Okay, so then we have some minced garlic, some mayo, some mustard. And this is Old Bay seasoning, Creole seasoning, and dried parsley flakes all into one container. So just make sure you have all three of them. I just like to put it in one small container together. This is breadcrumbs, some melted butter, 2 eggs, some lemon, some shrimp, and of course our crab meat. So that's pretty much it for this. It's really basic and simple. So let's start mixing and cooking. Okay, so let's go ahead and first just crack our eggs into our mixing bowl. Go ahead and just whisk that and break up the egg yolk. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our mayo. And we'll whisk that in. Let's go ahead and add our mustard. Okay, add in our melted butter. Our garlic, our seasonings, our parsley, our Old Bay, and our Creole seasoning. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and add in our hot sauce. I just do this with my eyes, but it's about, I would say, a teaspoon of hot sauce. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our Worcestershire sauce, and this is about a teaspoon as well. Maybe less than a teaspoon. I don't put a lot of this at all because it's very strong. And I'm gonna go ahead and just whisk this in. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go ahead and add in our breadcrumbs. You guys know I like to do this a little bit at a time. So we'll sprinkle in, we'll whisk, and see if we like the texture. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just add the rest. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze in a little bit of the lemon juice. So now that we have everything mixed in, our mixture is a good texture. It's not too thick, not too runny. We can go ahead and add in our crab meat. Okay, let's add in our crab meat. You guys already know, if you watched my last video, that I like to squeeze it just to loosen the meat up from the container. And then I just drop it in. Okay, so now that we have the crab in the bowl, we want to get our gloves and make sure we have our gloves on. And we want to just basically flip the crab meat into the mixture without breaking up the lumps of crab. So literally all I'm gonna do is just lightly separate this and then just take my hands and flip. Take my hands and flip. So you just wanna toss so you don't break up too many lumps. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cook our shrimp. Our stove is on medium high, and we're just gonna cook our shrimp about 80% through. Ooh, I love the sound of a sizzle. So we're gonna let our shrimp cool down for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna chop this up. We're gonna go ahead and just dice up our shrimp into really small pieces, and this is what's gonna go in the center of our crab. Okay, so now we're about to go ahead and make our crab balls. So what you need to do is just go ahead and take a little bit of your crab meat, and you want to just push it in like that. And then you want to take a little bit of your shrimp and go ahead and stick it inside of your crab. And then go ahead and take another scoop of your crab, and then go ahead and create a little ball. Okay, so now that we have all of our balls put together, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer for about 25 minutes just so they can get cold and kind of just really stick and hold together. So 25 minutes, and then I'll be right back. It is now time for us to go ahead and fry our crab balls. So all we want to do is just make sure you have like a little strainer like this. It's a lot easier to handle. And you just want to get your crab balls, and you just want to drop them into your oil, just like that. They kind of stick to the pan, so you might just have to pat the bottom down just a little bit. Just drop them into your oil. And don't overcrowd your pan. I'd say do about 4 or 5 at a time. Cook those first before you drop the rest in. And this only takes about a minute or 2, not long at all. As soon as your crab balls get crispy and brown and golden brown on the outside, then you are good to go. So like they're pretty golden brown right there, so you know that they're almost ready. And that's what you want it to look like. So it should be pretty done. Once you see them a little golden brown, they are done. And you just take them out and set them aside. Look at that, beautiful, golden, crispy on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. And if you don't have enough oil like me, you just want to go ahead and flip them a little bit, just so the top can get cooked inside as well. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and I showed you guys how I just sprinkled a little Parmesan cheese and some parsley on top just for a little garnish. I do like to serve mine with hot sauce, but you can serve yours with whatever sauce that you like. But let's go ahead and do a little taste test. All right, let's see. Dip it in the sauce real quick. Man, that is so good. It is very moist. It's not dry. You can taste a little bit of that Old Bay, the lemon. It is so good. I want you guys to get a close-up of what it looks like inside, so hold on one second. Look at that. It looks beautiful. You can tell that it's very moist on the inside. It's not dry at all, and it just tastes so good. All right, you guys, that is the crab cake poppers recipe. This recipe is super easy to make. It's super quick, and it is a great appetizer dish if you're hosting a party, or if you're going to a party and you need to bring something. Your friends and family will love you for this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can join the family. Make sure you leave me some love in the comments down below. Let me know what else it is that you guys want to see. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I would love to see the pictures and the videos if you decide to recreate this. So make sure that you tag me. And I will see you guys in the next one.